Feeling the pinch when it comes to your business cash flow? Are you tired of that constant juggling act, trying to make sure the money coming in is enough to cover the money going out? It's a struggle most business owners know all too well. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any successful business, but managing it can feel like a full-time job in itself. Late payments, unexpected expenses, seasonal dips, they all conspire to keep your finances in a state of flux. And without a clear, real-time view of where your money is, making smart decisions about growth or hiring becomes incredibly difficult. You're essentially flying blind. But what if I told you there's a way to not just manage your cash flow, but to actually optimize it? To turn that chaotic flow into a predictable, smooth-running machine? That's where Tide comes in. Tide isn't just a business bank account, it's a suite of tools designed to put you back in complete control of your finances. Let's dive into the 3 key ways Tide helps you turn the tide, pun intended, on your business cash flow. First, invoicing and payments. One of the biggest bottlenecks for cash flow is waiting to get paid. Tide's in-app invoicing is brilliant because it's fast, professional, and directly linked to your account. You can create and send branded invoices in seconds, and crucially, you can set payment terms and track their status in real time. But the real game changer is the integration of multiple payment methods, making it as easy as possible for your clients to pay you, whether it's through bank transfer or card payments. The faster your invoices are sent and the easier they are to pay, the quicker the money hits your account. Simple, effective. Second, expense management. Money flowing out needs just as much attention as money flowing in. Tide makes expense tracking effortless. Every transaction is automatically categorized, and you can instantly attach receipts using the app. This not only saves you hours of manual reconciliation but gives you an immediate, crystal clear picture of your spending patterns. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can spot unnecessary costs and make informed adjustments to preserve your cash. No more surprises when you check your balance. And finally, insights and forecasting. This is where Tide moves beyond simple banking and into true financial management. Tide's tools offer intelligent insights into your spending and earning trends. By analyzing your historical data, they can help you project your future cash position. Imagine being able to see, with a high degree of confidence, what your bank balance is likely to be a month from now. That knowledge is power. It allows you to confidently plan for things like VAT payments, upcoming stock orders, or that big marketing campaign, preventing you from overstretching and heading into an unexpected overdraft. In short, optimizing your cash flow isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter with the right tools. Tide brings together invoicing, expense tracking, and powerful forecasting into one seamless platform, giving you the real-time visibility and control you need to not just survive, but truly thrive. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.